3.
Okay, hello, this is a video that is going to talk to coaches and trainers that if you want to add on a new toolkit into your belt next upcoming year. This is the only workshop that I'll be doing called Lens of Transformations. So if you saw that wedding photo just now, it's not my wedding, okay? That was one of my diploma studies when I was learning wedding planning. Come and join me if you want to learn about how can you use the problem statement that we want to solve in this workshop is who am I? Okay? If you haven't asked yourself as a coach, as a trainer, who am I? This is the workshop that you can come and experience. I'm only going to do this once because I'm probably going to retire from this public workshops in 2025 onwards. I move on to a new responsibility and new era. So join me. And best, there's a bonus. The bonus is this workshop is going to be $300. And the bonus is I am building this thing called a Solopreneur Mastery Club. You'll get a lifetime memberships in the club, and what you get is you get a back end of 140 over course and any online content that you have got, and also a network of solopreneurs that is helping each other to grow together. So yeah, join me if you are interested in being part of the new trend, the new Jennifer network, the new era. See ya, bye!